Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the basics about the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Question number 1. Who has notified the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008? The Ministry of Law and Justice has notified the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Number 2. Number of sections and the schedules under the LLP Act. So there are 81 sections in LLP Act and there are 4 schedules under the LLP Act. What are the 4 schedules under the LLP Act? The first schedule is going to deal with the mutual right and duties of the partner as well as the limited liability of partnership if there is an absence of a formal agreement with respect to them. The first schedule पार्टनर और एलएलपी के राइट एज वेल एज द ड्यूटीज के बारे में डिस्कस करता है अगर देयर इज एनी एब्सेंट ऑफ फॉर्मल एग्रीमेंट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू देम. सेकंड शेड्यूल ऑफ द एलएलपी एक्ट is dealing with the conversion of any traditional firm, that is the partnership firm, into the LLP. The third schedule is dealing with the conversion of a private company into the LLP. And the fourth schedule is dealing with the conversion of any unlisted company, unlisted public company into the LLP. So, what are the fourth schedule of the LLP Act? The first schedule is dealing with the rights and duties about the partner as well as the LLP if there is any absence of formal agreement. Second schedule is dealing with the conversion of a partnership into the LLP. Third schedule is dealing with the conversion of a private company into the LLP. And the fourth schedule is dealing with the conversion of an unlisted public company into the LLP. Next question is, who is going to administrator or who is right now administrating the LLP Act 2008? So the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Registrar of a Company is administrating the LLP Act 2008. So the Ministry of Law and Justice has only notified the LLP Act. However, the task of administrating the LLP Act 2008 is given to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Registrar of Company. Now, another question is, LLP is this just like a partnership firm, whether the Partnership Act 1932 is applicable to LLP. So, it is noted that Indian Partnership Act 1932 is not applicable to LLP. So, Indian Partnership Act 1932 is not applicable to LLP. Next, what is the need of a Limited Liability of Partnership Act? Before introduction of LLP Act 2008, there is no any limited liability partnership firm prevailing in India. Before introduction of a LLP Act 2008, there is a traditional partnership prevailing in India. The traditional partnership has the loophole that the liability of all the partners will be the unlimited. So, in case of a dissolution of a firm or a firm becoming insolvent, in the case of a traditional partnership, the partners are personally as well as severally liable for the liability of the partnership firm. So, to remove such a loophole and to make a comparative a business vehicle as an alternative means of a corporate business vehicle, just like a company and just like a partnership firm. So, there is to make a hybrid form of a suitable business vehicle, the LLP Act is introduced with the intention that the liability of a partner will be limited to certain extent, and it will also give this suitable administration framework so that the partners have a flexibility to organize their internal structure of the business vehicle. So, with the intention of this, the Limited Liability of a Partnership Act is introduced, and owing to the flexibility of its structure and operation, the LLP is the suitable vehicle for a small enterprise and investment by a venture capital. Next, what do you mean by the LLP, limited liability partnership, meaning as well as the concept? So LLP is the alternative business form. LLP is the alternative business form that will give you the benefit of a limited liability just like a company, because in the company the liability of shareholder is limited, and it LLP is going to give the flexibility of a partnership. So due to this hybrid structure, same for example, it is giving both, that is corporate structure just like a company, and the uh, partnership, that is the traditional partnership, just like a giving a flexibility for the purpose of its internal structure. It can be considered as a hybrid between a company and the partnership firm. So since the LLP elements has both corporate structure as well as the partnership firm structure, LLP is called as a hybrid between the company as well as the partnership. So the meaning of LLP is, LLP is the new form of a legal business entity with the limited liability. So what is LLP? LLP is the new form of a legal business entity with a limited liability. What is LLP? LLP is the alternative corporate business vehicle. So it is an alternate to the company form. Further, LLP allows its partner the flexibility of organizing the internal structure just like a normal partnership, that is the traditional partnership. So it is, apart from the corporate structure, it is allowing the flexibility to the partner in organizing their internal structure. What is the liability of a LLP? The liability of a LLP will be full to the extent of its asset. So as and when there is an asset appearing in the limited liability of partnership, the LLP is liable to the full extent of its asset. However, the liability of a partner will be the limited. So it is unlike the traditional partnership firm where the liability of a partner is unlimited. The liability of a partner in the case of a LLP is limited.